Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Robinhood. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Robinhood application. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface where you'll have to simply click on this person icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, when you click on this icon, it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to simply click on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, when you click on this three-lined icon, it is going to take you to another page where you will see the menu. In the menu, you'll have to simply click on the transfers option, that is the third option from the top. After you click on transfers, it is going to show you this page where it says transfer money. Click on transfer money and it will take you to another page where you'll have to basically enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So enter the amount that you want to withdraw and click on review. After you click on review, it is going to take you to another page where it will show you the details. So I will have this amount withdrawn. So I'm withdrawing this amount and I get two options: 4 to 5 business days, that is the free option, and an instant transfer where you'll get your money quickly with a $1 fee. So choose the way through which you want to withdraw your money, then click on transfer and you would have successfully withdrawn money from Robinhood. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.